Ever wondered how Wi-Fi hacking works? A skilled hacker can infiltrate your network, bypassing security. Today's focus is on the world of Wi-Fi hacking. We'll explore security protocols and enabling tools. Firstly, we need to understand the role of Wi-Fi security protocols. These rules determine how encryption protects your network. The common ones are WPA, WPA2, and WPA3. WPA was first, a notable advance over WEP, but with flaws. It uses TKIP for encryption, which is vulnerable to attacks. Then came WPA2 using advanced encryption AES, a stronger encryption method, yet it has vulnerabilities like the key reinstallation attacks, crack. WPA3 latest is more secure, introducing a method that defends against password guessing, yet it's still not widely adopted and has vulnerabilities. Let's shift our focus to the tools that hackers use to exploit these vulnerabilities. They utilize AirCrack-Ang and Wireshark for network security assessment and traffic monitoring. An essential piece of equipment for a Wi-Fi hacker is a good wireless adapter. A great option is the Alpha AWS 036 ACH. What kind of attacks can happen on your Wi-Fi? Some include man-in-the-middle and evil twin attacks, luring unsuspecting users. So, how do you protect your Wi-Fi from these attacks? The key practices involve a strong password, network encryption, a unique network name, and updated router firmware. Using the latest Wi-Fi security protocol, WPA3, can also significantly increase your network security. To summarize, we've journeyed through the evolution of Wi-Fi security protocols from WPA to WPA3 and understood each's vulnerabilities. We've explored hacking tools and the types of attacks that can occur. Cybersecurity is a rapidly evolving field, and being informed is key. In today's connected world, knowledge of Wi-Fi security, hacking tools, and defenses is essential. Whether you're a cybersecurity student or a concerned internet user, this knowledge can be critical. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep learning.